Running a 50-50 mixture of CLR and water through here to hopefully make this thing transfer heat better in the cab. So, wish me luck. We're gonna let that sit for about a half hour now that the heater core is full of CLR and see if we can coax any more crap out of there. Get everything nice and clean.
Hey shoppers, this is that bayite 12V 3A 1 gallon per minute pump. I actually have mine hooked up to a big reservoir here at my shop, and that's how I have running water to my toilet. So it works great. I thought there was a problem with the suction, but I believe everything on it's great. Happy shopping.
The 12V water pump worked great. It's not the pressure that I desired, like they said, but it does put out the water sufficient for the RV. So thank you, and